Can I use baking soda and vinegar to clean the baked-on grease from my air fryer?
Hello there, air frying enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common kitchen conundrum: how to effectively clean baked-on grease from your air fryer. Notably, we'll be using a natural cleaning solution made from two ingredients that you most likely have in your pantry right now: baking soda and vinegar.
Why baking soda and vinegar?
Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's understand why we're using these ingredients. Baking soda is a mild abrasive and natural deodorizer that can break down food residues without damaging the surfaces. Vinegar, on the other hand, is an acidic substance effective at dissolving grease and mineral deposits.
What do I need to prepare?
To start off, you'll need white vinegar, baking soda, a sponge or a soft scrub brush, warm water, a dry towel or cloth. Remember, always unplug your air fryer before cleaning.
How do I clean my air fryer with baking soda and vinegar?
Now, here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Remove the basket and pan from your air fryer. 2. Create a cleaning paste by mixing equal parts baking soda and warm water. The consistency should be similar to toothpaste. 3. Apply this paste to the baked-on grease in the basket, pan, and inside of the air fryer. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes to allow the paste to do its magic. 4. After waiting, scrub the areas gently with a sponge or brush. If the grease is stubborn, add more paste and let it sit for a while longer. 5. Next, rinse all parts with warm water. If there is still baking soda residue, you can use a wet cloth to wipe it off. 6. To finalize, prepare a vinegar solution, half vinegar, half water, and use it to wipe down the interior of the air fryer. This will help remove any remaining grease or residue and neutralize odors. 7. Dry all parts thoroughly before reassembling the air fryer. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps. And there you have it. With baking soda and vinegar, you can effectively clean the baked-on grease from your air fryer, extending its lifespan and ensuring your meals remain tasty. So, next time your air fryer is looking a bit grimy, just reach into your pantry. Happy cleaning and even happier air frying!